How you feeling today?
Tight.
What's the tightest?
My
Your lower back.
hips.
Lower back. I'm gonna bend this knee. So these are stretches, but they're also tests at the same time. So kind of lets me know what your spine's doing. Is this side bothers you the most?
They're both really tight, but this one's tighter.
Yeah. I love athletes.
We just showered from jiu-jitsu and like ran here.
I love athletes. Love them. I used to be one.
What'd you do?
I used to do jiu-jitsu myself.
Yeah.
I just trained in New York.
Oh yeah. Gotta come back.
I like that stuff. I might get back into it.
Oh, that was great. Wow.
Just the shoulder right
Whew.
That's on your side facing me. Where you from?
Philly. South Philly.
Yeah, that's right here, Philadelphia. Right I'm from Philly. From uptown. Mount Airy.
Oh, yeah. That was cool. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.